In this video we will learn how to set up Tailwind in our React project. Let's create our new React project. We'll be using Vite. Let's give a name of our project. So our project has been created. Let's close this terminal. I'll be opening it in our code editor. Now let's open our terminal here and let's run our project. Open the browser. So our project is running. Okay, now let's install the Tailwind in our React project. After completing the installation, go to the package.json file and let's check there. We can see the Tailwind CSS here also. Now let's go to the vite.config.js file and import the Tailwind here also. Now go to the index.css file and import the Tailwind here at the top of this file. Okay, let's go to the app.jsx file and let's delete all these codes and let's write our own one here. Let's style this text. So let's write something like the color of the text to be red and font weight to be bold and text size LG. Now let's go to our browser and we can see the styles changing here. So whenever I wrote this let's say text, and then I can see these options here. So to see these options, we can add the extension of Tailwind CSS file. Go to the extension and search for this Tailwind CSS IntelliSense and install it, so that it will be really helpful. So whenever I write this any kind of a style given by Tailwind, I can see these options here. This can be really effective.